If you really hate Windows Update on Windows 10, this episode is for you. But first, my name is Steve Smith, this is TQA Weekly, and if you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button down below, and if you want to be sure to get all of the different episodes that I put out each week, make sure you hit the bell icon as well. And for those that are really interested in supporting this channel, you can click the join button. By joining, become a member. Members get to be part of our monthly live streams and be part of our private Discord channel. Now, this is going to be a very simple, very quick episode. Of course, we're going to my desktop. From the desktop, you go to the start menu, you click the gear icon, that brings you to Windows settings. The first thing you can do is go to network and internet. Under here, you have status. You go to change connection properties, and of course, set as metered connection. By setting as metered connection, you're preventing Windows from installing updates that have nothing to do with security. It will still download updates, but really important ones. Then under update and security, you have the change active hours. Changing active hours tells Windows when you are using your computer, and it will try to do the updates outside of these hours. You're prohibited from setting more than 18 hours at a time, and shutting down and restarting your computer doesn't count for them. So if they have an update to install and it needs your computer to restart, once you hit restart, it will do it. And then the same thing goes for shutting down. And of course, the next thing, which I've never been able to confirm if it's actually on a Windows Home, because I only have Windows Professional licenses here, is under advanced options. So you have three options that we want to look at, four really. You have the semi-annual channel, which is targeted and untargeted. That's the every 6-month package that Windows actually likes to shove down our throats. That actually was so bad last time that most of us still don't have it. And then under that, you have feature and quality updates. You get to select the number of days before those updates are installed. And of course, the more important and the coolest feature, which is the feature I think that a lot of you might not have, but hopefully you do have, it's the ability to pause updates. And you can do so for up to 35 days. Make sure that when you click it, that you already have your updates installed. And if there's any news of anything going on, just uncheck it, do the updates, and then recheck it. Especially if you want to have more control, this is good. Now, I hope that helps you. So like if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes for this episode, past episodes, find other episodes on different topics, and of course, use the contact form to email me directly. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.